Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we are going to show you how to modify an ISO file so you can make changes to its contents easily without creating a new file from scratch. Step 1. First, download and install a reliable ISO editing tool like PowerISO. This programs allow you to open ISO files, view their contents, and make modifications without affecting the original structure. Step 2. Next, open the ISO file within the program and explore its contents. You can do this by clicking Open, then choosing your ISO file. You can add new files, delete unnecessary ones, or replace existing files, which is important for customizing the ISO to your needs. Step 3. After making all your changes, save the ISO file by choosing Save or Save As in the program. This step ensures that all your edits are applied correctly and your ISO file is ready to use for installation or backup. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.